Welcome to the Introduction Building Overview. The Introduction Building lessons will teach you strategies for writing an effective introduction. To get started, let's talk about the purpose of introduction paragraphs. What is an introduction, and why do you need one? In an essay, the introduction is usually the first paragraph of your essay. It introduces your position on the topic and previews your main arguments. Many students have difficulty writing the introduction to their essays. However, introductions are important for several reasons. A good introduction sets the stage for your ideas. If you do a good job, your essay will be easier to remember. In addition, your essay will be much easier to understand. You can also use your introduction to stimulate your reader's interest. Most importantly, a good introduction will make your arguments more persuasive. If you want your reader to agree with you, getting off to a good start is essential. The introduction building lessons will help you achieve these goals. In the introduction building lesson, you will learn about the tag mnemonic strategy. TAG stands for thesis statements, arguments, and grab your reader's attention. The first two are required, but using an attention-grabbing technique can help your essay to stand out. To wrap up this overview, I want to show you how to use the tag mnemonic as a checklist. When you write an introduction, use the tag mnemonic to make sure your paragraph is complete. Here is an example writing prompt. And here is an example introduction. Does it have a clear thesis statement? Does it preview the arguments? And does it grab the reader's attention? Pause the lesson so you can look over the paragraph. When you are ready to move on, press play to resume the lesson. Okay. I'm going to label the different sections. In this paragraph, the first sentence is the thesis statement. It clearly states the author's position. Next, let's look at the arguments. The last two sentences of the paragraph preview the author's arguments. In the rest of the essay, this author will talk about the effect of laziness or lack of goals. And finally, the sentences in the middle of this paragraph use a technique to grab the reader's attention. The author creates a vivid image related to the arguments and thesis. So, it looks like this introduction does indeed use the tag strategy. In the other introduction building lessons, you will learn strategies for writing thesis statements, previewing your arguments, and grabbing the reader's attention. Watch those lessons to learn more about introductions. When you are ready, you can close this window to end this lesson. You will be sent to the checkpoint automatically.